Hi everyone. As you likely are already aware, the SEC recently released its 2025 examination priorities on October 21st, providing new insights into its regulatory focus for the coming year. As we analyze these priorities, we want to share some of the most critical takeaways emerging for our clients. With regulatory scrutiny at an all-time high, understanding these focal points will help firms stay ahead in today's intensifying compliance landscape. So the first examination priority that we want to discuss is the use of artificial intelligence by investment advisors. Specifically, are they using artificial intelligence as part of their investment process, their research process, or the way in which they're communicating with current or prospective investors? The next examination priority that we want to highlight is that of illiquid assets and the valuation of those illiquid assets. So the SEC will be very much focused on managers with a portfolio that consists of private credit investments, real estate, and digital asset investments as well. So among the 2025 examination priorities, there are some common themes, some priorities that have been noted in prior years. The backbone of any effective compliance program is an advisor's fiduciary duty and mitigating potential conflicts of interest. So in thinking about this fiduciary duty that is a priority of the SEC when they examine advisors, we want to be thinking about, are we doing what's in the best interest of our clients as we're evaluating potential investments, monitoring current investments in our portfolio, and then deciding to exit those investments as well. So among the examination priorities for 2025, cybersecurity and information security are definitely included. With respect to cybersecurity, we have to keep in mind that there is a proposed cybersecurity rule that we do anticipate will be finalized in the coming months. And with respect to information security, we want to think about our overall information security program and operational resiliency. This dovetails a bit with the finalized, or I should say the amendments to Regulation SP, which among other things will require a more comprehensive incident response plan for advisors. Among examinations for 2025, advisors should keep in mind that there is a focus on newly adopted rules, including amendments to Form PF and amendments to Regulation SP, and also keep in mind the proposed rulemaking that is always a priority for the SEC staff when they're examining advisors. This will include the proposed rule on cybersecurity, among others. Advisors should also keep in mind that the SEC has noted that they will be focused on newly adopted rules. So this would include amendments to Form PF and amendments to Regulation SP. And as always, an examination staff does keep in mind as they're examining advisors proposed rulemaking. This would include the proposed rule on cybersecurity. So everybody, we're planning on publishing a piece of thought leadership on this particular topic, the 2025 examination priorities, in the next installment of our quarterly newsletter. Until then, I hope the key takeaways we just went over help to highlight where the Silver Team thinks the SEC will be focused in the year ahead, with some tips on how private fund firms can remain compliant and remain outside of the crosshairs of regulators in the future.